Hello friends, today I'll show you how you can install PuLID Flux V2 in your ComfyUI. So there are lots of dependency on some third-party libraries which you may not get from your missing custom nodes from this one. So generally if you open any workflow, it will show like whatever custom nodes are missing, but that happens only when the custom node library is uh, uploaded into our config UI repository. Otherwise you will not get to see those libraries. So if you just open this workflow in ComfyUI, it will automatically show you like whatever libraries you have to install. So I will just show you whatever it will show. I have already installed it. So if I click on installed libraries, you can see this here. This is the one you have to install. This one, this is the one. It contains both tcas and pulid flux libraries. So if you just install this one, it will automatically install all the libraries for tcas also. So once it is done, still you will see like there is one more node, the node for this is a wave speed one. So this node is still it is showing red color in red color. So for this one, what you have to do, you have to manually install it from GitHub repo. So you can again just click on config UI manager and click on this missing custom node, and here you have to click this install via git URL. Now the problem is like if I simply you know if I simply click on this button and paste the webspeed github repo URL, it will not allow. So you have to make some config changes in your config UI. I'll just do that. Okay, once you make the changes, like you have to reduce the security in this config UI manager for installing the to install the custom in any custom node from directly from git repo. So I have already done it. Now I'll reload the config UI. I reloaded the config UI. Still you can see it, the wave speed one, it is still showing missing. So I'll just install the wave speed library. Click on install via git URL, paste the library URL, click OK. Okay, this still it is showing. Okay, let me recheck the config file. Okay, I forgot to restart the config UI. So now I'll try once again. Now you see it has already installed it, and now it is asking to restart. So I'll just restart my config UI once again, close it, and then I'll reload it. Now this time I hope this should not show the missing node error. Yeah, now it has loaded, everything is loaded. You can get this workflow from github repo, sorry, from cbtai. I'll share the link. So now once you have the workflow, uh, you have to just see like whatever libraries you need. Okay, so I need here to uh, clip loader dual clip library. So I'll just quickly install t5xxl and clip l. Okay, using the Hugging Face CLI command, I'll install the t5xxl. It should go to our clip folder. So if you use the hf transfer, then the download, you can quickly very easily download. The speed will be very good. Otherwise it will take more time if you download using wget. Okay, now I'll search for the clip l URL in my. I have created this small application. It actually stores has stored all the uh, model URLs in the specific in this format. Like you just have to search in this application and paste in your terminal. That's it. So it makes it easy to download all the models. Otherwise, it takes lots of time to configure. Now I have to install the two clip loader are done. Okay, Flux 1 dev fp8 I have to install, and this PuLID Flux v09.1, this one I have to this one it will go inside this inside a PuLID folder. So this is the uh, command. This is the repo. Actually this is a very easy thing. This is the repo, and this make sure the folder name is in small, otherwise it will not take it will not find the for this model. So I'll install it. It is 1 GB file. Okay, this is also done. Now I'll install the Flux dev fp. Okay, I'll quickly search the URL for Flux 1 dev. You can see the Flux 1 dev, it can sometimes it can go into checkpoints or sometime unit. So in workflow you can quickly see where it is taking it from. This is a unit name, see, so I have to place it inside unit. So in my from my application I'll just copy it and I'll run this. This is a 20 GB file, but you see the speed is almost like 1 Gbps. So if you use the HF transfer, that is like very beneficial. Okay, let it get downloaded, and by that time I'll see what all other models I have to install. Okay, now PuLID one I have installed. Yeah, PuLID I have installed, and here almost I have installed all the libraries, and then what else is there? Okay, okay, I have to install the AE substances. I'll just find the URL for AE from my application. Okay, this is the URL. Okay, I will paste it in command in terminal. Okay, this is downloaded. This goes to VAE folder. Okay, now these are like the easier part, and now the PuLID actually need few other libraries to be installed. So what you have to do, like you have to check like if you have all the Facexlib libraries installed. So if I and the Insightface also, there is one more thing. Okay, I'll just I forgot the name. It's Insightface diff Insightface one unit, and you need yeah, and the face xlib also you need. So I have the URL for Facexlib, and this should go inside antelope v2. So I'll just check if I have the folders created. Inside models I don't see Facexlib. Antelope also is missing. Antelope is not there. Okay, so I have to install these two libraries as well. Okay, I have copied the URL from my application. So this is the URL. The zip file you have to copy it inside your models slash antelope v2. So if you just you don't need to create the folder. If you just run this command, automatically it will create the folder and download it. I'll just see now if antelope has came here. uh, Insightface models and then antelope. Okay, Insightface came here, models, antelope, this one, and you have to unzip it. I'll just copy the path and run a unzip command. I'll cd into that path. This is the where I have, and I'll just see the folder file, zip file name, and just unzip it. Unzip, it is done. Okay, this is the folder. You have to just select all and cut it and paste it inside this folder. Paste it, and then you can delete this zip and this one. Okay, I'll just skip the zip ones in case I need it, and I'll just delete the antelope folder inside this. So you have to you see the folder path, you have to keep like this only. In case you are making any mistake or something, just make sure you manually copy into this folder path, and the folder name also should be like this in small. Otherwise the library, I mean the PuLID will not be able to fetch these libraries, these models. And then there is one more thing you have to install, that is the where was that? Yeah, this 3 antelope v2 models also you need to install. So for that you have this URL here. Okay, I'll just give you ready-made URL. You can just paste it and download the models quickly. Okay, I'll cd into ComfyUI, sorry, ComfyUI, cd into models, and sorry, models, and then just create one folder here with this name antelope v2, and then cd into it. Okay, nothing is there. Now I'll download all those three libraries. I'll paste the both the URL like this. So this 2 is downloaded, and uh, for this one, the third one, is the uh, download path here is wrong. So you have to correct the path. I will just show you the correct path. Okay, let me just check which one I downloaded. Inside antelope. Okay, detection rsnet is downloaded, parsing bison is downloaded, uh, Wisenet is downloaded. Okay, so I need to download the Wisenet is downloaded, parsing. Okay, parsnet is not downloaded. uh, uh, I guess for this one the URL path is wrong. You can just check, and for this one the correct path is correct. I can just copy and just wget and run it. Okay, okay, I need to copy the this thing, the name. Okay, okay, it is saying not found. I guess this is the one, or okay, I'll just open here. Okay, for this one it is wrong. This is the parsing the path is wrong. So the path is v 0.2.2. So I'll manually just correct it. I remember the path because yesterday I did it. So point 2. Yeah, this is the correct path. So you have to, I mean, many people are facing this problem. So you have to, these three libraries are actually causing issues for many people. So these are the three wget path. You can just note it down and just see if it is downloaded. Yeah, it is got downloaded and it should be inside this antelope v2 model slash antelope v2. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just reload my ComfyUI. All my models are downloaded. Okay, I have reloaded my ComfyUI, and then I'll just see if all the models are coming appearing here. Okay, the dual clip loader, it is downloaded into the right folder, and Flux dev one. Okay, okay, I guess I have downloaded the Flux one dev. The FP8 model I should have downloaded, but okay, I'll just download the, yep, PuLID Flux one. PuLID model is also downloaded in the right folder, and here a tensors, yeah, it is downloaded into right folder. Okay, I'll quickly download the Flux dev FP8 version model. I found the URL for this FP8 version. It should go inside unit folder, so I'll just change it to unit. And okay, this is around 17 GB. You see the speed if you use HF transfer, so that is the benefit. Almost immediately, I mean within 20, almost 17 GB file. So within 30 seconds it's downloaded. Okay, now we are good to go. Okay, now I have reloaded the ComfyUI. I should now be yeah, I can see the Flux dev FP8. Okay, okay, now I have uploaded one sample image here. This is AI generated email, and I'll run the click on execute. I kept the image node in this side, so to compare with the output. So you can see it is running now. Okay, I'll just quickly install the resource monitor. Okay, I'll not restart now. I'll just close this one. Okay, let's see how it is progressing. Okay, so these are the three output we have got. uh, this is the okay, this is coming from wave speed. Okay, wave speed one is this one. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the wave speed one gives a better output, I guess. Rest of the, sometimes I have seen like rest all the output from all the TCAS and wave speed and the base one without any casting all gives really good you know output. It in this picture you can see it looks good. But most of the time I have seen the wave speed keeps very good consistency with the face. And this PuLID one you can use it to generate consistent character also. And there are some other techniques you if you just simply use the PuLID it will not give you good result. But you have to use it with some other technique also if you want to generate a consistent character. There are multiple other use cases. So I'll see.